Again, good afternoon. Today is about January 3 here in the Philippines. Yeah. Again, I would like to thank Ma'am Susan, no, and Ms. Buslari and the team, and Microsoft, Bill Gates, no, for the giving this opportunity. No, lagi thank you. Muna tanawa na ako ang Facebook by which lagi nga akong ipasalamatan si Barack Obama, the President of the United States. Nga thanks for trusting me. No, this is our 7th treatment sessions, January 3, 2014, with the BP of 13175, Pulse rate 75. No, 15 days from the attack, admitted from the hospital. Then karon among walking exercises, so see no unsa improvement niya by which in here no gawang magnus no pas kay kapitik no, there you are oh. Again, so gawa ng sambagdos ni siya Cebu City, Philippines kini atong machine no, and then katupon na ato ang Arwin ergometer. So here pas kay nangaloy, sakit nangaloy medyo no, again pinaka full na siya no, by which lagi pag detect na siya og ni recover ba imo ang muscles no, by which is radiating to the spinal nerve no, mapadung siya sa brain, by which lagi ang brain. So kini nang aloy, isaka ko nang aloy, there you are no, again nasaka niya, then ibalik siya nang aloy, there, sige ibalik yun ang kamot, there you are again no. Today is about the 7 treatment sessions para sa ako ang as physiotherapist. Then pag-atake niya is 15 days by which wala gina sa tanang stroke nga left totally nga di pa gina nila maliyok, mabitaw na nagibaligya ng mga sling, anything mo to nang utana siya di butangan og kanang hot packs and tents, dili ni basta nga heart is pure care, dili no. It's about education. Okay, saka pa gina ng aloy, there you are again, isaka ng aloy, there, then down balik ng aloy, okay, again there no. So karon nibalik na siya together with the trust and faith and the prayers sa pamilya no. Mo lagi na nangayo kog tabang sa mga pamilya kay mao lagi ni maybe this is the last from the Philippines kay bawi adto na pud paswayo ng Amerikano ug ang British ug European. Thank you so much ya. So here yung daughter no, ayan daughter spot nagwork sa Bahrain no, mo lagi na nga para pud siya nga makakita sa siyang loved ones no nga oy ni recover na sa mama no, and then siyang ipod here yung husband mo lagi na family support itong kinahanglan ani. Today is about 7 treatment sessions, follow this one also, and then the kano, no? So, ito ko anong BP, so karon maggasolina na mi sa iyahang right upper extremity. Again, thank you.